In this video, I will show you how to clone your voice using AI for free. Yes, it is completely free and no subscription is needed. So if you want to create your own AI voice, let's get started. First, we need to download a software called VoiceBox. It is a free and open source voice cloning studio that supports multiple text-to-speech engines. Open your web browser and go to the following page, VoiceBox. I've included the official website link in the description below so you can access it quickly from there. Go to the official website, then click Download. Choose your operating system. For me, I'm using Windows. Wait for the installer to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, install it just like any other software. After the installation, open the program. You'll notice that the interface is simple and easy to use. Before we start cloning voices, we need to download some models. Go to the Models section first. Download Qwen TTS 1.7b. This is one of the latest voice models. Click Download and wait for it to finish. Next, download the Whisper-based transcription model. This helps convert your voice into text accurately. Now let's proceed to creating our voice. Go to the Generate tab. To start cloning your voice, click Create Voice. You'll see several options. You can upload audio, record your voice, or capture system audio. For this tutorial, I'll choose Record Voice. Record your voice sample for about 30 seconds. Click Start Recording and speak clearly. Once you're done, click Transcribe. Then enter a name for your voice. After that, click Create Profile. Now your cloned voice is ready to use. Go back to the text-to-speech section, select the voice you just created, and then type the text you want the AI to speak. For example, once you're ready, click Generate Speech. Wait for the process to finish. This depends on the length of the text and your computer's performance. After it's generated, you can play the audio and listen to the result. Wow, it sounds almost like my real voice. If you're satisfied with the result, you can download it. Click the three dots, then select Export Audio. And that's how easy it is to clone your voice using AI. For better results, use a clear 30-second voice sample. Make sure your recording is clean and free of background noise. Also, only use voices that you own or have permission to use. Do not use this technology for impersonation or any harmful purposes. Always use AI responsibly. That's it for this video.
How to show or hide text message content on the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or Ultra. First, tap the Home button to return to the home screen, then open the Messages app. Next, tap the profile icon, then scroll down and tap Messages settings. Now tap Notifications, then scroll down and tap Show or Hide content when locked. From here, if you want to show the message content on the lock screen, tap Show Always. By default, the setting is Show Always. Otherwise, you can choose to hide the content on the lock screen. Hiding the text message content does not hide the notification itself. If you receive a new text message, the lock screen will still show that you have a new message through a notification, but the message content will be hidden. If you choose to show the content, the lock screen will